Good morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine TV Sydney studios. Australian shares are expected to fall at the open this morning, and that's from tracking weak cues from Wall Street. However, strong commodity prices are likely to boost domestic mining and energy shares today. According to the latest SPI futures, the ASX 200 would open 13 points or 0.2% lower. Now, yesterday, the benchmark index closed 5 points higher at 7,020 points. In some big news from this morning now, National Australia Bank has reported a $1.8 billion third quarter profit. Cash earnings in the third quarter 2022 rose 3% compared with the first half of 2022 quarterly average. NAB CEO Ross McEwan says as the economy changes, continued low unemployment and healthy household and business balance sheets are helping mitigate the impacts of higher inflation and higher interest rates. The company is pleased with the quarter results despite being slightly below on core earnings. Its net interest margin was slightly lower, dragged down by markets and treasury performance. Moving on, and the REA Group today announced its results for the year ending 30th of June, showing revenue growth of 26% to $1.17 billion. Reported EBITDA grew 17% to $647.9 million. And net profit was at $371.7 million. Now, revenue growth was underpinned by strong growth in Australian residential revenues, which were up 24%. The group result includes the consolidation of REA India last year and Mortgage Choice from the 1st of January last year. And Charter Hall Long WALE REIT has delivered a statutory profit of $911.9 million for the year ending 30th of June. Operating earnings of $207.2 million was up 4.5% on the prior corresponding period. The reported a net valuation uplift of 10.4% to $670 million for the year. Now, based on the information currently available and barring any unforeseen events, the company says their 2023 operating EPS guidance will be 28 cents. Now, we do have more earnings reports due today. Computershare, Coronado Mining, Megaport and News Corp will all be reporting their results today. We'll bring you all the details on those here on Kalkine TV. Well, now it's time for a short break, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
Tune in to get the latest information.
Whether it's about market movements or the currency graph,
Sectoral coverage or industry news.
we cover it all on our news segments.
Be on top of the latest news
With Kalkine TV.
And welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast report. Now looking over towards the global markets. US stocks dipped as investors weighed mixed messages on inflation and how aggressively the Federal Reserve would fight it. The Dow Jones rose 0.08%, but the S&P 500 and Nasdaq both dropped 0.1%. Over in Europe, the Stoxx 50 rose 0.9%, the FTSE gained 0.6%, the CAC was up 0.8% and the DAX ended 0.8% higher. Yesterday, oil prices did rebound with the upbeat economic data from China and the US, which triggered hopes for demand growth despite concerns over a looming recession. Brent crude futures finished 1.8% higher at $96.65 a barrel. WTI crude was at $90.76 a barrel, up 1.97%. Gold prices rose on softening bond yields and the US dollar. Spot gold was up 0.8% to $1,788 an ounce. US gold futures were 0.76% higher at $1,786. Meanwhile, cryptocurrencies gained yesterday. Bitcoin was up 3.25% at $23,942. That's all for our ASX at Breakfast report here on Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. This is Rachel signing off for now.